Good morning, besties. We are waving our hair this morning. I'm on day 3 of no wash. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do when my hair is a couple days old because I feel like it just looks better, it holds better. So we are using the Bedhead Away We Go. This is what it looks like. So I already did the first section. I wasn't going to record, and then I was like, you know what? Why the hell not, right? Okay, so I do this pretty messy because I am going to pull it back in like 2 little, maybe I'll do something different. 2 little, not ponytails, I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to pull it back some. I had 2 glasses of wine last night. They were quite large, I will admit, and I am definitely feeling it this morning. I don't know if anybody else is like this, and I've always been like this, when I drink alcohol, the next morning I am up so freaking early. I don't know why, but I woke up with a splitting headache and my belly hurt so bad. But since then, I've had 2 cups of coffee and some water, and I feel as though I'm on the mend. So I was in the lab yesterday from 6:30 to 3. That is truly my favorite shift to work. Why is this like under my boobs? I really have no idea. I worked the 6:30 to 3 shift yesterday, and that is truly my favorite shift to work. I said this in a video yesterday. Or the day before yesterday, I love getting home early, especially now this time of year when it starts getting darker earlier. I just love being home earlier while it's still light out. Can I get it together? But today I'm back to the 9:45 to 6:15 shift. It's sad, but somebody's got to do it. I'm learning how to close. I much rather prefer being in the lab, if I'm honest. I really enjoy the phlebotomy aspect of my job. Some people think it's weird that I like to stick people with needles, but there's just something about a good juicy vein that I love so much. This is what we are looking like so far. I use the Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. It is truly the best. I feel like it makes my hair super shiny, and then I also use a couple of Redken products as well, like this right here. This is the One United spray. If there's one thing that you buy from Redken, let it be this. It is, sorry, I'm shaky, it's my coffee. This is so freaking good. If I could have 20 bottles of this, I'm not even kidding. So what is everybody up to? How's everyone's week been? How have we been dealing with the time change? I said this in another video that I did, that I don't do well with time change. It feels like the days just take forever, and I hate that. I don't like that, I should say. I don't have my contacts in, so I can't really see what I'm doing. I think I said that already. Maybe not. Oh my god, yeah, see, look, I'm missing a piece here. Hold on, we can fix that. Anyways, I do not do well with the time change. It has really been messing with me. I said this somewhat recently. I would like to, oops, I'm a mess this morning, do the carnivore diet for about a month just to see how my body responds to it. I feel like it would be really good for my skin. It would really help my psoriasis. So I'm strongly considering doing it. My dad and stepmom did it for a year, and they still do it, but they have incorporated other foods now. My stepmom, she will have bread, but she will have keto bread, which I've had, and I do have to say, it is not the best tasting bread. It's not like your good like Myers bread, which I really love. I'm gonna do my makeup next, and I'm just wondering, like, what drugstore makeup products are we using? What drugstore products are we loving? What are drugstore products that we simply cannot live without? I need to know, because payday is tomorrow, and I think that I will try some new makeup. Right now, I'm loving my Maybelline Skin Tint. I think that is so good. But I do want to try that new e.l.f. Oh God, what is it called? I don't even remember. It comes in like a little squeeze tube, and I would really like to try that. So I think I'm going to get that. Also, when I was at work yesterday, a patient was talking to me about donating plasma, and I've never done that before. Like, I've heard of people doing it, but I've never done it myself. And he says he makes like an extra $400 a month, and I'm like, that is something I can truly get on board with. I don't know if there are pros and cons to it, but I think that I will give it a go. There is a place near my house that does it. I know that you have to sit there for like an hour, which is fine because I can just be on my phone or take a book. So I'm really considering doing that. What else is going on with me? I think I talked about this too, but I was really sad on Sunday. I don't know what is going on with me. Oh my God, am I okay? I was really sad on Sunday, and I don't know why. I talked with my therapist about it a little bit, and I told her that I do believe it's the time change, but I don't know. I don't think it's my medicine, but maybe it is. I was also telling her that something I do not like about being on medicine is, while it does help with my depression and anxiety for sure, I do feel like it kind of robs me of other emotions like sadness. Like, I felt like I could cry the other day on Sunday, and I started to tear up, and then it just kind of like went away. I have a filter on because I kind of look a little ratchet right now. I haven't done my skincare yet, so it is what it is. This is what it's looking like so far. So yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I feel like it kind of like robs me of emotions like sadness, and I hate that because, you know, maybe this makes me a little crazy, or maybe somebody will understand, but there are days when I feel like I could just use like a really good cry just to kind of like get it out, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm the only one. All right, what are we thinking? This is what the end result looks like, and then I'm just gonna pull it back in two little ponytails. Hold on. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna leave it like this because I can have my hair down today because I'm regging patients. What do we think? Like I said, this is the bedhead, Away We Go. Love her so much. So hope you enjoyed my little hair tutorial. Okay, bye.